What's going on, guys? It's the Roberts back with another video. Today we're gonna be installing headlights.
So if you guys haven't noticed, I bought a new Camaro.
1998 Camaro.
2017 Camaro 1LT. It's a 2-liter turbo. I don't care what you guys think. Since it's the base model, I got these ugly headlights. No, they're not the RS headlights. So 5thGenDIY.com has a conversion kit option that you can buy. It's currently on their website. I'll have the link below. It comes with the headlights, both left and right obviously, and the harness and instructions so you can install it. Let's go. Got the wheels off. Look at how clean it looks. You guys can barely see, there ain't no sunlight. It's sad doing this at night. Whatever, put it under the car. No, it's fine. Okay, we got the jack on that side, the wheels off. We gotta take this front bumper off, that's gonna be hard. Pop of the hood. Pop of the hood. Where's the hood popper? Here it is.
I think we've struck gold.
That motherfucking 2-liter turbo.
Dun, dun. Dun, dun.
Fuck the nighttime.
The Forbidden Lord.
Forbidden Lord.
Wheel well liner removal Gen 6 Camaros. Tools needed.
We only need to remove these ones. I've seen lethals.
Who's that? Oh, you mean this guy?
Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Those screws need to come off right there. And that's it for the bottom down here, I think. Now we need a 7mm.
Can I call you Cyclops?
Under the bumper, you will now remove 5 7mm head screws from the air damper and remove damper. Copy that.
Let's get in close and personal, huh?
So the air deflector was right here, bolted up. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little 7mm screws, and these 3 right here need to come off, and same on the other side. Everything I'm doing on this side is exactly the same on the other side. I'll get back to you when I'm on the next step. Turn my music off so I don't get copyrighted.
Well, where's your fucking phone? I can't just reach in your pocket and grab your balls and grab your phone.
Oh, yeah! I think I broke it.
You do?
I don't see it. I don't care. Hold that. Hold that right there. So much water is gonna come down and spill on me. That way. That way. Oh, the light. Another plastic thing. I got it.
Are you fucking kidding me?
I don't have to take that one.
Oh.
Look at it. It's so pretty and shiny and still new. Okay. Step like 4 done. Remove the plastic.
Step like 4 done.
Now, that is the last thing under the car. I really hope so. Okay, so after an hour, a trip to Lowe's, I finally got the bumper off. Now it's just getting the headlights off, replacing them, and that's it. Putting the bumper back on. I'll be back when I get all of that done, because I have a headache. It's starting to rain and I'm trying to get this done quick. Trying to get this done as quick as I can so I can go to sleep, because I have work in the morning. Got them on. Harnesses are wired up. Look at that. So much better. Harnesses are tucked in. I just gotta get the grill back on, and that's a wrap, man. The relays are over here. Sorry, I'm trying to hurry. Relays right here. You tap into the fuse box right here, and just mount the new ones. Look at that. Beautiful. I'll get back to you when I'm got the bumper and everything back on. Probably like an hour. So the installation's done. It's all finished. Bumper's back on. I'll give you guys a little clips of it at the end or something. I don't know. I'll add it either before this or behind it. But it was hard because I didn't have the right extensions and smaller hands, I guess, to get up in there in the bumper. Because I showed you guys the 3 7mm bolts, and then there's two 10mm inside of the bumper, and it's holding it this way, like that. And then there's another 4 that go along up the bumper right here, and those ones are really hard to get to. My driver's side blinker isn't working, and the check engine light is on. I'm gonna disconnect the battery to see if the check engine light goes away, because I did have to pull a fuse, and that's probably the reason why. But other than that, I've been driving it for the past 2 days and it's been running fine. That's the only problem that I've seen so far. It's not that big of an issue to go and complain yet, but if it becomes a bigger issue, I'll let you guys know. But so far, I give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Everything I do with this car is gonna be recorded, gonna be out there for you guys. I have so much stuff planned, from the front lip, side rockers, a new trunk lit. I even want to wrap the car myself, try it, get the experience, maybe make something out of it. It's really, really fun doing those things yourself. You guys seen I wrap the kit myself. It wasn't hard, but it's something anybody can do and anybody can get into. So, thank you guys for watching again. Subscribe, leave comments, likes. Let me know what you guys want to see, because there's so much stuff I want to do to this car. Maybe even taking it to the track.